just the reality. It's so true. So you just got off a flight from Italy? Nice. Well, welcome.
Thank you.
Let's see that little baby bump. Oh my goodness. It's so cute. Yeah. Oh, I would love to. Do we have any names?
Brian, do we have any names? Because I do.
I think in Youngstown, Ohio,
None that we can agree on together.
Go with Brooke.
I like Brooklyn, but my friend took it.
of what you want.
Well, my middle name's Brooke, and I tried to get my sister to have her baby's name Brooke too, but then she found out she's having a boy. That's not gonna work.
Some custom stuff done and everything. It was like
Oh, I like Callie. Oh, I like that.
Jade.
I love Jade.
Hello, Jade.
Oh, Callie Jade is gorgeous. Jade is beautiful. If you name her Jade, though, she's gonna become a stripper. No, I'm kidding. You know why I say that? Because Jade was my #1 girl name too. I absolutely love it. And everyone used to say that to me, and I was like, what's up with that?
I knew a stripper named Jade.
Oh no. Oh no. Do you hear this?